Alignment looks good. Lock it in.
What if I told you that one of the world's oldest modern
Confirmed.
currencies
Ready for
has
initiation.
survived kings, empires, revolutions, wars, economic crises, and technological revolutions for nearly 200 years? Most Americans know Egypt for its pyramids, pharaohs, and ancient treasures, but very few know the fascinating story behind the Egyptian pound. This currency has transformed from gold-backed coins to high-tech polymer banknotes while carrying the identity of an entire nation. And here's the surprising part. Some of Egypt's earliest banknotes featured camels crossing the desert, while today's notes are produced using advanced security technology. Stay with us until the end, because the final fact reveals how Egypt is reinventing its
Inside
currency
this
for the
high-security
future. The story
facility,
begins
the
in
traditional
1834,
intaglio
when
process
Egypt
prints
officially
millions of
introduced the
Egyptian pounds
pound
daily.
as its national currency. Before that, people used various Ottoman and foreign coins in daily transactions. Just 2 years later, in 1836, the first Egyptian pound coins entered circulation. These early coins were backed by precious metals, giving people confidence that their money had real value.
The alignment is stable at 99.8%.
And for
Good.
nearly 3 decades,
Let's maintain
one
this
Egyptian
speed
pound
until the
represented
next spindle
approximately
change.
7.43 grams of gold. Imagine carrying a single coin in your pocket that contained the value of real gold. At the time, this made the Egyptian pound one of the strongest currencies in the region. But the story was about to become even more interesting. In 1899, Egypt introduced its first paper banknote through the National Bank of Egypt. The design immediately captured people's attention because it featured 2 camels crossing the Egyptian desert.
Look at the
This
shift from
unique design
gold to blue
reflected
at
the
this
country's
angle.
landscape and culture. These early banknotes
Consistency
also
across
carried
the
a promise
batch
from
looks
the
good
issuing
under
bank,
the UV
guaranteeing
spectrum.
payment of the note's value to whoever possessed it. For many Egyptians, this was their first experience using paper money instead of metal coins. By 1914, a major transformation occurred. Paper banknote became the primary form of currency, replacing the dominance of gold coins in everyday transactions. This
All
was
security
also
features
when
are
Egypt
perfectly
began
aligned.
asserting greater
Microtext
control over
is
its
sharp.
monetary system.
Flawless
Trying to move away
registration.
from
We are
Ottoman
clear
influence,
for
the
production.
Egyptian pound was becoming more than just money. It was becoming a symbol of national identity. One of the most beloved moments in Egyptian currency history came in 1926.
Alignment looks good. Lock it in. Confirmed. Ready for initiation. Long metallic security threads are carefully embedded into the banknote substrate during the manufacturing. Advanced machinery precisely weaves the security threads, a crucial step ensuring the integrity of every
Check the tension on this one.
Feels secure. The count is correct.
Check the tension on this one.
Feels secure. The count is correct.